What's up, everyone? Trent back at you. Never a dull moment in the shop. Got a customer here that I think he wanted to do the job himself, but just decided to bring everything to us and let him build it, which we appreciate it. We do love the business. We will promise you a really good job. He bought some really nice parts here that we would install into our regular vehicles if we couldn't get our hands on our normal parts. Nice deep pan. Don't really recommend a chrome pan just because of how they seal here. We'll definitely be grinding on that, get a little buff marks to where when this thing seals, it has something to grab onto. It's not that real slippery surface. But we've got a lot of nice parts here that we'll be installing. But let's check out this truck here. I'm pretty sure it's factory. It's an old 99 Chevy 1500. Got everything marked like usual. Little 2-wheel drive. She's been leaking for a while, so I've got to get the cross member set back. I mean, I don't have to, but to get the pan off, it's a lot easier to take your cross member bolts out here on both sides, lift your transmission, slide the cross member back a little bit, lower the transmission mount on top of the cross member there, which allows you to get off the pan. So we'll be doing that. I've already got our torque converter bolts out. Where are they at? We're already out there. So we've been doing a little work to this one, but I did want to stop and take a video because this thing is pretty rough. Definitely looks original. So they got their miles out of this one. Definitely over 220,000, I remember. So y'all guys stay tuned. I'll get the pan off. Okay. This one is gonna be good. Now, it barely made it on the lift, and it had a pan full of fluid in it. Seriously, that's all it had in it. I didn't pour any out. So let's see what it looks like. Actually, not as bad as what I thought. I mean, it's bad, don't get me wrong, because the pan should not be, looks like it's painted black. I don't know if it has any flake in it. Hold on. Let me grab a rag, wipe my hand off. A little bit of flake, yeah. But that's what's in the pan. So you guys stay tuned. See what the guts look like. Can't be good. She's pretty rough. It wasn't ever gonna rust, that's for sure. Enough oil on it for you and me. Gosh. Well, looks original, so should be a nice little build. Got a remain seal leak, so we'll be correcting that while we're here. And also, like we were talking in the video, this gentleman bought a lot of nice parts right here. And I'm telling you, I wish I had them 5-pinion planets in my training. Better take care of them. That's for sure. He spent some money on this kit. So, deep pan. As I said, nice. Hold probably 3 quarts extra, I'm sure. Keep it cool. So, y'all guys give us a thumbs up. Go subscribe to the channel. Tell us what you think. Have a great day.